This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here at our Jackson store. We've got us a 2027 Peterbilt 589. It's a tri-axle heavy haul. Has a 131-inch long hood, 285-inch wheelbase, 58-inch sleeper. Got 20,000-pound steer axle with 315 22.5 tires, disc brakes. Got our polished diff tank cover. Over here we've got a 90-gallon fuel tank. It's polished. Inside the bunk, you can see our premium sound system. Back here we've got a 20,000-pound steerable lift axle. It's got 46,000-pound air trac rear suspension, disc brakes, locking differentials, and 373 gears. 36-inch air slide with the Holland FW70 fifth wheel. Got our stainless mud flap hangers. On the back, we're riding around on 11R 22.5 Bridgestones on polished Peterbilt aluminum wheels. Got a 120-gallon fuel tank on this side. Polished tank, polished straps. Got the stainless steel dual-sided cab exhaust. Put the extra chicken lights underneath the cab. Got them in front of and behind the air breathers. Got the chrome mirror covers. The auxiliary turn signals mounted on the mirror brackets. Got 4 roof-mounted air horns. Got our rock guards underneath the headlights. Chrome Texas style bumper. Stainless steel visor up there. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our Cummins X15. This one's 565 horse with 2050 torque. And an 18-speed manual transmission behind it. See, we've got our battery jump start studs mounted out here on the frame rail. Removable bug screen behind the grille. Inside, this truck's got our platinum interior in it. Remote keyless entry. Leather air ride seats. Extra gauges up here in the dash. AM/FM Bluetooth radio. Got a pull-out work tray in the dash over here on the passenger side. Uniden Bearcat CB radio. And then our 58-inch sleeper, got our little 9/10 of a cubic foot refrigerator. Got our flat screen TV mount. There's all the curtains for your window and door coverings back here. We have 4 of these trucks in stock. 2 white ones. One I think is sold, but we also have one in red, and we have one in black. So if you think these trucks will work for you, give me a call, 706-372-4698, and let's see what kind of deal we can put together for you. And we're not done adding on to these trucks yet. They will be getting a headache rack with a split tray on the bottom, a jailbreak window, a hydraulic tank, and a dual line wet line kit. And we're going to put the full stainless steel hump fenders on all 3 axles back here. So this one's Got a few more things to get done to it yet before it's ready to go. Or you could take it like it is. But like I said, give me a call, 706-372-4698.